One day, a man walks into a restaurant. He goes through the menu and then calls the waiter over and tells him to get a bowl of turtle soup. One turtle soup coming right up, the waiter says, and then walks away. Afterwards, the man goes through the rest of the menu and then changes his mind to pea soup. And then he waves at the waiter and shouts, "Hey waiter, hold the turtle and make it pea." Why should you not give a balloon to Elsa from the movie Frozen? Because she will. No more balloons for you, Elsa. What do you call a sleeping dinosaur? A dino snore. Get it? What do you call a sleeping bull? A bulldozer. Get it? Bull. What did one eye say to the other eye? Between us, something smells. What did the nose say to the finger? Quit picking on me. What did the baby corn say to the mama corn? Where is popcorn? What did one plate say to the other plate? Dinner's on me. Why did the student eat his homework? Because his teacher told him it was a piece of cake. So that's a fact. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Get it? 7, 8, 9. What is a witch's favorite subject in school? Spelling. How do you make an octopus laugh? With 10 tickles. Get it? With 10. How do you get down from an elephant? You can. You get down from a duck. Get it? Down feather. Why can the pony sing a song? Because it was a little horse. Get it? Like a little horse. Why don't seagulls fly over the bay? Because if they did, they would be babies. What do you call 2 banana peels? A pair of slippers. Speaking of bananas, why did the banana go to the doctor? Because he wasn't peeling very well. What did the scientists have to do to freshen her breath? Mints. Experiments. What building in New York has the most stories? The public library. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for listening and I hope you enjoyed it. And have a